Hi Cancer, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do an energy check-in for you guys for the second half of August. So Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest, like you're leaving all this heart pain and tension and stress. This card just wanted to show face, so I'm just going to put it here. But that's a good card, right? Because you're, I think, releasing heartbreak. So, Cancer, these are you and yours readings. These are you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time, right? So, could be your love interest, could be your neighbor, could be your parent, could be your child, could be your boss, could be anyone. So, take you'll be able to figure out once you see the reading, right? So, let's see who wants to come out and whose pain, heartbreak are you getting rid of. I hate this card. I mean, I hate it in the upright, but yeah, reverse, it's beautiful because you're healing now. So let's begin here. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So thank you all my subscribers. Welcome back. And if you're new here, do subscribe and join us. We meet here weekly for love readings, monthlies, bi-monthlies, etc. So we welcome you in. And if you're new, let me explain this. I'm setting out two sets of cards, one you and one is your person who we are asking about. And in the center, I have your mutual energies to see what is the potential outcome. Ace of Wands. These are two good cards. Letting go of heartbreak and pain and moving ahead in a passionate new way. Let's see what this spread has for us now, Cancer. So for person A, person B, you decide which side you're on. So person A has the Temperance, which is nice. Could be dealing with the Sagittarius, but this is also a card of healing, right? And the Hanged Man. 10 of Wands in reverse, excellent, letting go of all your stresses and burdens. 4 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands in reverse. Okay, so let's say for person B. Person B, I have the 8 of Cups in reverse, somebody returning. 9 of Swords, 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles, and the 3 of Cups in reverse. I need a moment. Someone's returning on person B's side. Somebody is returning, somebody is returning and the other person is quite stressed out about it. Let's see person A. Person A is in the healing. Okay, Temperance is clarified by Temperance, which is yes, they are. I have been in a very, very imbalanced space till now. They have been, not being able to shut out maybe old chapters of their life. They're still hanging on to old memories, still being a bit depressed, being stuck in a place where they feel they just can't move. Just standing there, not moving, planning, plotting, what should I do next, but not really. I don't see this person making any move. They are trying to heal. Yeah, this person is now on a fresh new journey. I think something in the past came to an end, and either they are feeling that they are feeling a little foolish about it, of whatever has happened, or they want to now close all chapters, which they're not doing. Okay, they want to take a fresh new leap of faith forward. They want to plan ahead for the future, but all I see here is person not closing out an old chapter, not healing, not bringing balance to their life, and still feeling very, very stuck, right? They want to drop all this burden that they've been carrying. They want to drop all this burden, heaviness that they've been carrying. But again, I see them sitting here under a tree, sitting depressed, not accepting anything, not offering anything, just being in a sorry state of mind and holding back. So let's take a clarifier for the Four of Cups. No, let's take a clarifier for the Ten of Wands. Spirit. This person wants to have control. That's their problem. They want to have control. This is a pretty selfish individual. Don't hate me, please, Cancer, if this is you. But this person, person A, has a lot of control issues. They have a lot of control issues. They don't want to be burdened with anything. They never really, they make plans, but they never kind of fulfill them, right? With the King of Wands in reverse. This is a king who has big plans, but never really accomplishes anything. They want everything. They don't want to be, left out in the cold. They don't want to be abandoned. They don't want, to have regrets or sorrow or any toxicity in their life. And yet, what do? They sit here depressed. They sit here holding back. They sit here making plans which are never, coming to fruition. They are just stuck. So, let's see the other side. The other side has the Eight of Cups in reverse, which I said is somebody returning. This person is, according to person B, this person B is very stressed out, by the way. Yeah? Somebody is coming back into my life, and this person is a big mischief maker and doesn't really do anything, and in fact upsets my stability. This, I think, has come up before as well for you, Cancer. Yes, person B is really wanting to get over all this confusion that this person A brings, and they want them to make a choice, right? Make a choice. What do you want to do? Like, if you're making plans, if you're standing here making plans, what are you going to do about them? Because person B definitely wants to make their own plans, and they feel that all forward movement comes to a blockage when this person comes back and their stability goes for a sixer. They want to have some clear communication with person A as to say, like, what are your plans? What do you want to do? How do you want to move forward in your life? Because all they do is maybe come back and come in this lack mentality of not having enough, feeling left out in the cold, and they end up making person B feel the same way. They say choose your friends very carefully because they can kind of rub off on you. The person B is trying to still, hold on, battered and bruised, still trying to hold on and see what to do, even though person B is not feeling at their best right now. Because I think this person A's arrival into their life makes them feel, their structure goes for, a sixer. It just kind of doesn't work. It doesn't work, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles upright are people working together, right? But this person makes this happen where there is no working together. There's a lot of lack mentality, feeling abandoned, left out, and person B is, I think, very, very stressed out and wanting now to get over all this pain and heartbreak that keeps coming back with person A. Person A's intentions are good. I mean, they want it. Let's not say intentions. They want everything. They want a fresh beginning. They want forward movement. They don't want to be burdened. They want control. But I don't think person A really does anything, right? They are always sitting and in lack, in complaint, in sorrow, in holding back, in feeling miserable, making plans but never executing them. So what's this Five of Pentacles spirit for person B? Person B, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, see, again, looking back at the past in regret, everything that fell apart. There's just sorrow, and there's just, talks maybe of everything that didn't happen in the past. And person A gets stressed out because they end up being in the same mode themselves. They can't sleep at night. They sit up worrying because this is all the conversation, I think, that's happening with person A. This person A just rubs off on person B and makes this person B very, very angry. The person B ends up being very bitter and angry at, what is this nonsense? So, Three of Pentacles in reverse spirit. Yeah, there's no working together because this person brings in, a lot of bitterness. Like look at how these two have started kind of being like each other. This king of swords is a bitter, harsh communicator, says, doesn't speak very well, and this person B, who was trying to make her, foundation, gets all stressed out and ends up becoming the queen of swords herself. And then that's the reason there's no working together after that. So let's see now what's happening in your mutual place, Cancer. 9 of Wands in reverse. Okay, making a decision. And the Page of Pentacles. Alright, so some stable, small, but maybe new beginning being planned out, decisions being made. So 9 of Wands is a card of a person, kind of holding back or fighting, ready to fight another day, or guarding themselves, but it's in reverse for both of you. I think both of you are letting go of the fight now. Enough is enough, we can't continue this way. We have to heal and move forward in a passionate new way, which were our first two cards. I was wondering when they would kind of show up. You both realize that, being guarded from each other and fighting all the time is making neither of you happy. Neither of you are, having their wish fulfillment. Neither of you are feeling happy and comfortable around both of you, each other. Both of you are now coming to a place that no more fighting. Let's move away from all these troubled times and move ahead to calmer waters, which is good. This is a decision, I think, a head over heart decision that you both are making, since I think both of you are so miserable right now. This is a decision, like a head decision to say, hey, we have to be together forever anyway, so might as well, quit all this fighting, and we've had too much of that, so it's time now to drop all this fight and to make a decision as to how we should move forward to have this passionate new beginning in our life. How can we bring some happiness back into this equation and move forward in a glorious, happy way. Remove all these swords from our heart once and for all. All these discussions are going to happen, Cancer. I don't know which side you're on, but about this person, remember the King of Wands, here he was. All these discussions are going to happen about how this person is always forever making plans and never really executing them, always trying to, mind manipulate and try and be the winner, be very controlling, try and control the other person. So all these conversations are going to happen, and some decision is going to get made. Now I have the Page of Pentacles here, Cancer. I must see now whether you're going to make this decision to have this fresh new beginning with this person, or you're going to drop them altogether. What is this decision that will be made? So, Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Oh. See, the point is, Cancer, deep in your heart, okay, your intuition knows, whatever said and done, this person is your soulmate. Okay, you do love you. There is mutual love between the two of you. As much as you both fight and you maybe don't like each other, maybe you don't even love each other, but you're in love with each other, right? You have this inside love that you have for this human being that you know that you can't let go of, right? You both know it, and maybe that's why this person takes you for granted too. So I think you both are going to now come to that place where you will honor this love. As much as you don't like it, as much as you don't, it makes you angry and whatever, you're going to now open up to this person once again and say, hey, let's just start from scratch, and let's begin again. This is a cycle which just keeps repeating. And of course, Cancer, you have your free will, right? You can continue this chapter forever, or make a decision to have your fresh new life on your own. It's totally up to you. Of course, you can have a private reading to discuss that with any of, there's so many good tarot readers out there. But this pain, Cancer, has to leave your heart. Okay, this is not a healthy place to be in. So you can continue the cycle forever and be, stressed out, not worried, crying every night. Or hope and wish for the best. So let's take an angel blessing card for you as well. you're still keeping the faith because you have so much emotion for this person. You have a lot of emotions for this person, and each time this person, returns back to your life, you take them back. You take them back because you feel, you have the faith that soon, this person will change and they will be healing. Things will come back to a, positive space. So my angels are saying, yes, healing is required. Cancer, healing is required, but for you also, right? So have that faith that you are loved for yourself, right? Nobody completes you. You have to take care of these emotions, because any negative emotions that you keep, hidden and in the depth of your heart, it can manifest sometimes as physical problems as well. So you have to look after these emotions which you keep suppressed all the time. Okay, even though you may love this person, be mindful of your own emotions and your own well-being as well. That's all I have for you, Cancer. I hope this worked for you. I'll see you next week. Love and light. Take care. Namaste to all of you.